Hey everyone, I'm Aurora, your go-to realtor, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm taking you inside a stunning model home that I cannot wait for you to see. This is the Solera. With over 5,000 square feet of beautifully designed living space, the home is packed with the most incredible features, thoughtful design, and plenty of wow moments. Let's take a tour and I'll give you the full 411 on everything this home has to offer. Welcome to the place where every detail has a purpose. Every room tells a story, and your home is designed around the way you truly live. Today, I'm taking you inside the Salera by AR Homes, a stunning custom home design that represents the beauty and personalized living, exceptional craftsmanship, and thoughtful design. While we walk through this incredible home, I want to talk about something that is just as important as the design itself: having the right realtor by your side when building a custom home. A lot of buyers assume that building a home simply means choosing a floor plan and making selections. But the truth is, building a custom home is one of the largest investments you will ever make. And someone who understands the market, the process, and your goals can make all the difference. My role is to be your advocate throughout the journey, from choosing the right community and understanding location value, to helping you navigate timelines, contracts, selections, and the many decisions that come with creating a home that is uniquely yours. With my local expertise throughout Northeast Florida, including Jacksonville, St. Johns County, Ponte Vedra Beach, and Palm Coast, I help my clients understand not only the beauty of a home, but also the importance of where that home is built. Because the perfect home is more than the walls around you. It's the lifestyle, the community, the future value, and how the location supports the life you want to create. Now let's get back to the Solera. This incredible two-story design offers approximately 4,310 square feet of beautifully designed living space, featuring 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a 3-car garage. Since entering, we were welcomed with the breathtaking 2-story foyer that creates a feeling of openness and sophistication. Natural lights fill the main living spaces, creating an inviting atmosphere perfect for everyday living and, of course, entertaining. The main living area becomes the heart of the home, a place where family and friends naturally come together. The first floor bonus room with a wet bar provides additional flexibility for entertaining, relaxing, or creating a space that fits your lifestyle. One of the things I love about AR homes is that their designs are not just beautiful, they're intentional. Every element is thoughtfully considered, from the Panama shutters to the vaulted ceilings, expansive sliding glass doors, and carefully designed gathering spaces. Every detail is created to enhance the way you experience your home. And one of the most impressive features of the Solera is the first floor owner's suite. Designed as a private retreat, this space offers comfort, tranquility, and a true escape at the end of the day. When you choose to build with AR homes, you are not simply choosing a house. You're creating a personalized floor plan that reflects your dreams, your lifestyle, and your future. With hundreds of award-winning floor plans as the foundation, AR Homes and their professional design team work with you to customize your home and bring your vision to life. That process is where having an experienced realtor becomes so valuable. My job is to help you ask the right questions, understand your options, and make confident decisions throughout the process. I'm here to help you evaluate communities, compare opportunities, understand market conditions, and make sure your investment aligns with your long-term goals. Because when you're creating a custom home, you deserve more than someone who simply opens the door. You deserve someone who understands the entire journey. Upstairs, the loft and additional living areas provide even more opportunities to personalize your home. For more than 25 years, Marcus Allen Homes has delivered thoughtfully designed, highly personalized homes throughout Northeast Florida. As a two-time AR Homes Builder of the Year, they combined award-winning design, proven plans tailored to each client's vision, and a deep local expertise to confidently navigate area-specific requirements. The result is a refined building process and homes built to the same standard as, or even better than, the model homes that inspire them. Behind every custom home is a team of professionals who bring years of design, knowledge, and industry expertise. The interiors team guides homeowners through each stage of the selection process, offering insight, recommendations, and creative solutions to make every home feel distinctly yours. Because good design quietly elevates everyday life. The spaces we live in shape how we feel, gather, and experience everyday life, making thoughtful design a lasting investment. Nestled along Northeast Florida's beautiful coast, Duval and St. Johns counties offer a perfect blend of refined elegance and natural beauty. Duval County offers a vibrant energy with a unique blend of southern charm, world-class entertainment, pristine beaches, and an impressive culinary scene. From city conveniences to coastal escapes, it provides a lifestyle filled with opportunity, culture, and connection. Just south, St. Johns County captures a timeless scene of charm with historic roots, lush landscapes, award-winning communities, and breathtaking shoreline. Together, these communities offer an exceptional backdrop for those looking to create a personalized lifestyle experience, where thoughtful design, craftsmanship, and location come together to create a home that is more than a place to live. Custom homes with AR Homes begin in the 800s, with pricing and availability varying based on location, community requirements, and site-specific considerations. Thanks so much for touring the Solera with me. I'd love to hear your favorite parts of this home. So let me know in the comments below. If you're thinking about relocating to Florida or buying a new construction home, I'm here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a home tour. I'll see you in the next one.